and everything here, including the brass, are all handmade. So my name is Felicia Adalga, CEO of Ahene Nkasa Beads Company Limited. We are into production of local beads, any kind of glass that we use to produce the bead. So you see this bottom, you have to smash it here, and with this tool, to make sure that the place is clean, you smash it into pieces, and you fill it in the mold. This is the mold, how it is. This is how you fill them in, depending on the size and the shape of the bead you want. Then you put it inside the oven. The temperature has to be high so the glass can melt. So I also run workshops, bead painting, jewelry making, stringing lessons, and so on. So I will encourage you to take part, book your appointment. The minimum is 6 and the maximum is 12 because of COVID.